Ibhuntshile enkantolo ephakeme yaseMgungundlovu KwaZulu-Natal imizamo yokuba kuhoxiswe amacala enkohlakalo abhekene nowayengumengameli uJacob Zuma nenkampani yezikhali yaseFrance Thales. Inkantolo ithi ayinalo igunya lokuhoxisa amacala abhekene noZuma neThales. uZuma nale nkampani bafuna ukuthi leli cala lihoxiswe unomphela ngenxa yokuthi sebashona ofakazi ababili.
Icala lanamhlanje belihlukene igaba ezimbili. Isokuqala bekuyisicelo sophiko oluphenya amacala omphakathi iNPA sokuvimba uZuma ukuba engalokhu efaka enkantolo izicelo ezibambezela leli cala. iNPA ithi kudala yakulungela ukuqulwa kwaleli cala kepha yenzelwa phansi uZuma. Lo munxa waleli cala umehluleli uzokhipha isinqumo ngawo mhla zingama-20 kuyosukwini lwama-24 kuMbasa. Esinye bekuyisicelo sikaZuma neThales sokuba kuhoxiswe leli cala elenzeka ngeminyaka yo-90. Bathi lamacala kufanele ahoxiswe bethi ofakazi ababili kuleli cala sebashona manje ukuqhubeka nalo kuzochema.
It is clear from the judgment that this court was alive to the fact that the case before it was not about delay-induced prejudice, but trial prejudice associated with Mr. Zuma's and Thales' constitutional right to adduce and challenge evidence. Although an issue was made in the papers on undue delay, both by the state and Thales, the court made it patently clear in its judgment that Thales' case was not decided on delayed prosecution.
So what is a balancing exercise and what makes it even more complex is that constitutionally there are rights and the Constitution is the supreme law of the Republic, and the former President Zuma is exercising his rights constitutionally.
Asimangazi isinqumo senkantolo namhlanje.
I think for the leave to appeal, that was a bit straightforward. And after the 2024 judgment in which the court referred to, it solidified what the court has always been saying, that whenever you want to lodge a leave to appeal, it must be based on something which is more substantial than just a mere allegation.
Nakuba ibhuntshile imizamo, kepha zisekhona ezinye izinyathelo ezingathathwa uZuma neThales.
It is really not the end of the road, and you would have listened to Judge Tilley was particular to say this court will benefit from what the Supreme Court of Appeal has to say before he rules on an application to stop Stalin grant. So it's titled. So it gives them a room to say they can always petition the Supreme Court of Appeal.
Leli cala selidonse iminyaka engaphezulu kwengama-20 kepha lingahlali enkantolo. uZuma ubhekene necala lenkohlakalo, ukukhwabanisa nokushushumbisa ngemali emva kwezinsolo zokuthi eseyiphini likamengameli wagwazelwa yiThales ukuze ingaphenywa ngepicabadala yesivumelwano seyikhali seminyaka yo-90.